friends, hope you are fine. So today we are going to make an origami fish and chips. For the origami fish and chips, I am using 6 sheets of paper. The 4 yellow ones are going to be for the fries, the blue one is going to be fish, and the white one is going to be plate. So let's start by making the fish. You have to fold the entire thing in half diagonally. Unfold it and then align this bottom left hand corner to the vertical center crease that you just created. So just hold it up, reset in, and repeat the same on the right side, and this is our kite base. Unfold it, then rotate and repeat the same thing at the bottom. So we are going to align this bottom right hand and side to the vertical center crease just as we did it with the other end. Crease that in. Do the same thing on the left side and unfold. Place it flat on the table, and we are going to notice that there is a crease that we made earlier over here and one over here. So we just going to fold it up like that, and then this part is going to jut out. So here is the side view of that. I'm going to take this flap and we are going to push it up, crease that in, do the same thing on this side. So we have this diagonal fold at the top, this diagonal fold at the bottom. Bring them both together like this. So that this jet out. So now let's take this tip at the bottom and align it to these two tips right over here. So just fold it straight up and piece it in. So now let's take the top flap and we are going to align the left side of this triangle to the bottom of the entire piece. So right over there, crease that in. Unfold it. Do the same thing on this side. Align this side, the right to the bottom like this, crease it in and unfold it. So now let's take the left side, we are going to fold it down following that previous crease. Do the same thing on the right, that as you do that, so we are going to have a center piece jet out like that. You just have to fold to the left. And now let's take the entire thing at the bottom and we are going to fold it down like this. Now let's flip the entire thing around. We are going to take this flap and fold it down, then align the tip to that tip, piece it in. Now we are going to take the left side just as we did it earlier. And fold it diagonally to this bottom crease. crease it in and unfold it. Do the same thing on this side, fold it over, crease it in, unfold it. So now let's take the left side and we are going to fold it just as we did it earlier, and then do the left side. This jet out, same idea, we have to just fold it to the left and then entire piece we have to fold it down. So now we have the fish tail just like this, and you have to move this little bit down, just get the angle right. Move this little bit this way and you can sort of alter it however you want. I'm going to leave it kind of like this, give it little character, and I'm also going to make my fish a little skinner. So I'm going to fold it this down, squeeze it in, do the same thing at the bottom, and this step is sort of optional. I like to have a fish little skinner. So you take the gum and paste the gum on the open areas. Paste gum also here. Make it stick perfectly. So here is the fish. So there is more room for the fries. There we go. So for the fries, we have to take your little sheet of paper, and then you have to fold the entire thing in half and unfold it. Fold the bottom side to the horizontal crease, rotate it, repeat the same thing on this side. So fold the bottom side to the center crease again and unfold it. Now you just have to fold a little bit in on the right side and then rotate, and then you do the same thing on the left. Then don't have to be even, and there we have to fold everything all again, kind of roll it up like this. And now you have to do, you will notice that there is a flap and then also sort of an opening one on each side. You have to slip the one on the right and you have to slip it into the hole. So you have a little triangular fry, that's one. Now you are going to make 3 more. So now we got our fish, we got our chips. Same exactly, fold it half and then unfold it and then fold it like that. Do the same thing on this side. Exactly same procedure you have to follow for the first one we made it. Put those aside and work on the plate. So the plate is really free for them. It's actually kind of just cute. I think you are going to take each one of this corner and fold it down as much or as little as you want. The more you fold, the smaller the plate is going to be. Then flip it around and you have your plate shape, and then I like to fold the side down as well, kind of crease it in a little bit just like that to give it some dimension. So here is your plate. Put your fish on top, let down a little chips in, and your origami fish and chips is complete. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial for origami fish and chips. If you like that, be sure you hit the subscribe button.